So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any single update. Also follow the Telegram channel, or you put the link to the Telegram in the section. Click on that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you will get the updates instantly. Now let's see what you'll be expecting for the GBP JPY. So we can clearly see that we are in an uptrend move. GBP JPY market is still giving us that strong buy to the upside, right? So now this is it here. We added this on GBP JPY. Then here comes the higher low. Markets eventually push it up again, hereby forming a new higher high. Because that new higher high took out this previous high. Then here comes the higher low. Markets eventually pushed up again and formed a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. And here comes the higher low. Markets eventually pushed up again, thereby forming a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market has now pushed up again by forming a new higher high. So we will be anticipating for market to give us an higher low. So right, that should not take us in 1 hour time. So what is market doing on this 1 hour time? Market is literally ranging this level. So the best thing for day traders to do is for you to wait for it to come to this support level, to come drop and tap the support level. Then you can now start looking for buy on GBPJPY. So do not enter the buy yet until market drops to tap your support level. Then you can now start looking for buy setup. If you do not find the buy setup, it will be best you do not trade. Now for swing traders, you can open on the buy and still hold the position because market will still push up to the upside. So still more movement to the upside is what we'll be expecting on GBPJPY. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll give you guys the update and I'll make sure I let you guys know. So just subscribe so you will not miss out on updates.